Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast free shipping. Alrighty guys, sorry about that. Someone was at the door. But now we're going to have here, open inside and see what it is. And if you guys like this item, click the link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. They'll ship this to you fast. I think everything's back to normal with Amazon now. Back to their normal shipping, so that's a good thing. There we go. Oh boy. What is this? Alright. This is a tripod. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Box out of the way. I think I need this part. And it's coming from... Where's this coming from? Buyplus. Alright. Definitely not a tripod. It is a light bulb extender to really place your light bulbs at high ceilings. Kind of like that one. Without using a ladder, so you won't hurt yourself. So this is always a good thing to get. Maybe something for Father's Day. Different size. It goes up to 12 feet. You can extend it. Different types. They got the suction cup one or the standard one. Alright, just pop it in and twist. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. It's pretty heavy. Buyplus Easy Pull. Especially the older folks. You don't want them climbing ladders and replacing light bulbs, so it would be a great thing to get. Alright, and then that's garbage. Here's this one. Comes with the suction cup inside. See, he's got a twist. Oops. Yeah, it's not bad. And then the suction cup. Comes with a little rope-a-dope. And here we go. Gotta unscrew the bolt. And there's a little bolt right there. You just gotta take it off. Pop it in. Here we go. Lock it in. Take the bolt back in. A couple of twists. Here we go. Kind of like this. And now let's see how we extend it. Ah, this is like a tripod. See? Just take that one up. And you can go all the way. Alright, this is going to be kind of difficult to do. Lock that in. Oh. Alright. There we go. Wow, this is crazy. Then you can continue on. Just got to flip. And then move up. And then lock it in. You just gotta lock it like this. Oh man. There we go. So that's really cool. And then if you want the light bulb, it's gonna go up, grab onto it, and then twist and pull it down. So check them out, guys. Buyplus, right on Amazon. Link is gonna be down below. Have a good night. Be safe and see you soon.